Hi, everybody. It is your girl, Malaysia Hayward, and welcome back to the Bougie Bookkeeper. Here on the Bougie Bookkeeper, we empower small to medium sized businesses by providing them the tools and the expertise that you need to build your automated accounting systems. So, today, I want to go over how to add multiple businesses to your QuickBooks subscription. You do not need multiple QuickBooks subscriptions if you have multiple businesses or multiple locations or multiple departments. I would suggest that if you do have multiple businesses, that you have different bank accounts for those multiple businesses. That will make it completely easier bookkeeping wise at the end of the year. But if you don't, you don't. So let's go over how to add those different locations or businesses or departments. So the first thing you want to do is click on settings. Now, for this, you actually want to make sure that you have an advanced or a plus subscriptions. Not every subscription will have that. So we're going to go over to account and settings. I'm going to click on that. So once you have clicked the gear icon and you've logged into your account and settings, you're going to go down to advanced. Again, if you have self-employed or essentials or any of the starter ones, you won't have this. But if you have advanced or plus, you will have this option. So you're going to click on advanced. And then once advanced loads, you're going to scroll down to where it says categories. It's asking you, do you want to track classes or track locations? Right now it's off. We want to turn this on. So you're going to click this icon right here and you're going to turn on locations. Once you turn it on, it will give you different labels. Now, you can track it by business, department, division, location, property, store, territory. So let's, for example, say that I want to do this by business. So I'm going to click save here. We're going to save that. We're going to exit out of the accountant settings. And then we're going to go and look at our transactions right here. Okay. So is this is a sample company. I didn't do a disclaimer at the beginning, but I want to make sure you guys understand that this is a sample company. This is not a real company. So I'm actually going to go up and I'm going to click. One moment. So typically it will pop up right here. It will say vendor, category, customer, and then it give you an option for it will be labeled business. You will click it down like this. So this, if this said business, you'll click it down. And then you can say add new, which you will add all three of those businesses in there, or 4 or 5, however many businesses you are. And whenever you do a transaction. So again, this is a transaction where there is an expense. So you add who you pay, categorize that expense. If it's with a customer project, you'll put there, and then it will say location or business or whatever entity you put it at. You will click it down, and then you will add that business. And what this does, it allows you to run reports for that specific business only. So when you're doing your taxes and you have to put those 3 different businesses down, you can pull the profit and loss, the cash flow, the balance sheets for that particular business because you categorize everything based on just that business. So let me see if I go to, and also up here, you see how I have named it business one. If you need to change the names, if you have different bank accounts, you will just click here, edit account info, and then it will give you the option to change the name. So now that we're at this account, let me see. We have any income. Okay. We have some income on this one. We'll click it and see if it'll give me the option of doing it. Again, this is a sample company. It's not a real company. So it's not showing me that feature that I added. But yes, typically, like I said, it will be right here where you can add the profit or you can add the expense per location. So make sure you click my other videos if you need more help on QuickBooks and how to work and how to operate it, especially this new 2023 system. I will have all the videos on my channel. But if you are a small business owner who just needs somebody to sit down with you one-on-one, or you want to watch a more of my webinars, or you want to take my online course where it walks you step by step how to set QuickBooks up, and on top of that give you some basic bookkeeping knowledge, then make sure you head over to thebougiebookkeeper.com. I will see you guys in my next video.